What's going on, guys? It is Darren here with TNT. Today we are at the DIY Garage Knoxville. So let's check out what they have. We're gonna install some ditch lights and go from there. Let's go see the inside. Alright guys, so let's take a look on the inside. Steve behind me is going to talk about the garage itself here in just a few minutes and let you guys know what they have to offer and how much everything is. We're going to be renting a flat bay, which is $25 an hour, just so that we can install the ditch lights, the Baja Designs ditch lights, and go from there. I'm in their waiting room now, which you can wait, relax, watch some football on the day off, whatever you want to do. If somebody's here, you want to hang out, come check them out.
Alright guys, welcome to DIY Knoxville, where you can come and work on your cars with lifts, bays, and get out in the weather. Okay guys, this is our showroom, waiting area. You can come in, take a break, watch football games, whatever you'd like to do. Come on guys, let's go check out the garage, look at the bays, look at the lifts, tools, everything we have to offer. This is one of the two bays we have. We also have two flat bays that you can use as well. The lift bays are $35 an hour, and the flat bays are $25 an hour. Let's go look at some of our tools. Alright guys, this is one of our 4 toolboxes we have on the premises. You have everything you need from wire cutters to strippers, pliers. We also have wrenches, and we have ratcheting wrenches. We have our sockets on the top, impact guns, and extensions and other ratchets. This is our second bay here with the lift, 10,000-pound lift. And we also are currently working on a car wash area and detail area. Once again guys, this is DIY Knox. Come and check us out. Let us help you with your auto repair needs. Give us a call at 387-4448 or visit us on Facebook.
Alright guys, so we're all set up in the bay. We're in a flat bay today. We're going to install the Baja Designs S2 Pros with the Rego Fabrications ditch light brackets on the TNT herself. By the way, if you have not seen our Instagram, check it out below. We're about to host a raffle, or a giveaway I should say. Not really a raffle. All you have to do is like, share, and subscribe, or follow us on Instagram. And if you're subscribed to us on YouTube, you do get an extra vote. So see it there. So we have all the parts laid out. Whenever I was opening up the Rego Fabrications bag, I actually got a piece of Dad's old-fashioned root beer. So I'm going to enjoy that while I do the install. I don't know if it was supposed to be in there, but it was with, I think, the driver's side bracket. So let's get to the install. The truck's already set up. Hood's popped. See how it's gonna turn out. So we had to take off some of the bottom of the trim, which included the door trim, the step trim, as well as everything up under here next to the pedal and the dead pedal. Just to access this plug right here, where we got a new plug for the Baja Designs lights to control and function. We're gonna get an S pod here in just a little bit. Don't know when yet, so we went ahead and bought the switch, and then we'll convert everything into the S pod whenever we do get it. So the install of the fog lights are all done. We're gonna take a look at the Tacoma that pulled up next to me, see what he's got going on. I know his truck is for sale. It might be sold, but if you know anybody interested, whenever this video posts, give me a shout and I'll see if it's still available for you. It's been fun here at the DIY garage. We are all done. We are heading home. Got to get dinner. Morgan is really hungry now, so it's 7:30. I spent some time talking to the guys and everything. The lights look great on the truck behind me. So there's some cars that are showing off right now. But the lights look great on the truck behind me. We will see you on the trail next time. Don't forget, check our Instagram out for that giveaway going on. We're hitting 1,000 YouTube subscribers. All you got to do is like, subscribe to us on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram to be eligible to win that. So we will see you guys later. Have a good one.